The first step is to draw the outline of the picture that you are going to draw. Here I have used the 4HB pencil, which is the lightest shade of the pencil. In the watercolor painting, the main important thing is to wet the paper using the brush and then start painting it. It would give a good texture, and also it would blend the colors in the way we wish. Layering is also one of the most important criteria that we use in watercolor painting. It is all the layers that we fill in. So first we choose the lighter layer, and then the medium lighter layer, the lighter shade, the darker shade next, and so on. We can choose different shades of color in one color, meaning let's say green is one of the color that I've chosen here. In green we have different shades like light green, dark green, parrot green, and etc. It all depends on how you choose which color in which layer, and then apply the darkness to it. The same way it comes to the water also. I have chosen the light blue shade here, which gives the texture of the water, and darker shades at one place and lighter shades at one place, which represents or indicates the waves or the sunlight or the sun rays which are falling on the water. I just want to tell only one thing, that layering is most important thing in watercolor painting. So it all depends on which color we choose in which layer, so that the painting looks beautiful and embossed.